In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Markdown blocks on Squarespace. If you want to display formatted text, code, or custom Markdown content inside your site, Squarespace makes the process very straightforward once you know where to click. I'm going to walk you through it in a simple, clear way so you can follow along on your own screen. To get started, go to the left-hand menu inside Squarespace and click Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage the pages and layout of your site. Once you're there, look to the top left and click Edit. This opens the page editor so you can make changes directly on the page you want to update. Next, navigate to the specific section where you want to place the Markdown block. This part is important because the block will appear exactly where you insert it. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right section of the page before moving on. If your layout has several content areas, it can help to hover carefully over the page until you see the correct insertion area. Once you're in the right spot, click Add Block near the top left. This opens the block menu where Squarespace gives you a list of content block options you can insert into the page. From there, find the Markdown block and drag it into place. Drop it exactly where you want it to appear within the section. After the block has been added, double-click on it to open the editing window. This is where you can enter your Markdown content and configure the block the way you want. If you're using Markdown syntax for headings, links, lists, or code formatting, this is the space where you'll paste or type everything in. Take your time here and preview the formatting to make sure it displays the way you expect. If something doesn't look quite right at first, that's normal. Small formatting issues often come down to spacing or Markdown syntax, so it's worth reviewing your content carefully while you're editing. Making adjustments directly in the block editor is usually quick and easy, and that's it. Once your Markdown block is in place and configured, your content should appear in that section of the page. This is a simple but useful way to add more flexible formatted content to your Squarespace site. That's all.